Hi guys, it's Yusuf. We will use the Python programming language for all assignment in this course. Python is a great general purpose the programming language on its own, but with the help of the popular libraries. It becomes a powerful environment for scientific computing. Before watching this tutorial, you should know a bit of Python. If you would like to refresh your memory, take a look at some Python videos on YouTube. If you wish to work the examples in this tutorial, you must also have some software installation on your computer. Please visit the Numpy, how to set up and how to start. Let's start our course. For example, if you want to start the coding your Python language, you have to implement the Numpy. Import is a keyword, the basic keywords for Python developer. Also, it is really important for start your Numpy libraries in Python environment. People generally Numpy as a NP, and let's print the version of Numpy. Like I mentioned before, my Turkish lessons, generally Python language prefer the double arrow, and they're putting this print inside of the print. Let's make the show config and save. For ridiculous. It creates some result. For example, creating the version of the Numpy and giving us some detail of the Numpy like that, because it has some secret environment. So, but our example is working because it's creating the version of Numpy. Let's make some real sample. For example, I want to create some null vector of size 10. Let's print. If you look at our code, I established the Numpy environment calling the import, and you need the zeros function to create some 10 count the zero vector. Our next lesson, I want to save it, and I will create a new file. Numpy tuts. I want a really strange example to show the power of the Python. It makes you also happy because you will learn also the Python is really, really strong language and really flexible. Let's make it. I will show some magic. I write down this code here, and you can also write your code between some detail. I want to learn the Numpy-add function, the information about what is the meaning of the Numpy-add. Also like the helpful function to producing some detail about the Numpy-add function. Wow, it's great magic. Let's look at. Also, I call this numpy info as giving us some lots of detail and making like a dictionary how to use and explaining and the output how to use it and return value and giving really great sample. It's really magic. I guess it's really satisfying to you also. Let's make really good question to understand it. Let's create some random data. Also Numpy-Tuts-1 randomize content no such file. Okay. Creating 100 randomized data, it will create between 0 and 1, but if you want to give some between some values, you can use the uniform function. I created the randomized value by using the uniform. If you put here the 2, you can see that I created two values between 1 and 100. In this tutorial, I made a small introduction about NumPy and how to use the Python environment and Python code. The next episode, I will create the other sample, but they are really simple because it's a really simple course to teach the people. They are not the programmers, or they want to learn some detail and they want to develop themselves. They can keep watching our episodes. Next lesson we will continue. Thanks for joining us.